Welcome back to the channel. We are making more vegan comfort food, and today it's garlic butter pasta. The main ingredients are, of course, butter, garlic, your choice of pasta, and today I'm making roasted Brussels sprouts. First, you're going to prepare your pasta according to the package instructions. I'm salting a pot of water and then I'm going to bring it to a boil. While I'm waiting on that, I cleaned and removed any wilted leaves from my Brussels sprouts. And now I'm going to cut off the stems and cut them in half. For smaller Brussels sprouts, you can leave them whole, and for larger ones, you can cut them into fourths. Once I finished, I placed them back into the bowl, and now we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil, and then I added salt and pepper to my desired taste. This was about 1/4 teaspoon each. Then I just went in with my hands and made sure each Brussels sprout was fully coated. Then on a parchment lined baking sheet, I'm just going to spread out the Brussels sprouts evenly. Then in a 400-degree oven, I'm going to bake them for 15 minutes on one side and 10 minutes on the other. Now that our water is boiling, we're going to add in our pasta, and for angel hair, we're going to boil our noodles for about 7 minutes. Once our noodles are fully cooked, we're going to be sure to reserve about 1 cup of the pasta water to use in our sauce. For our garlic butter sauce, we're going to melt down 4 tablespoons of butter. Then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. And finally, we're just going to add in salt and pepper to our desired taste. Then we're going to give it a good stir and saute for about 4 minutes. Now we're going to add in our drained pasta. Then we're going to take our reserved pasta water and add it in little by little until we get to our desired consistency. And this is my completed pasta. Our Brussels sprouts are fresh out of the oven. They are nicely roasted and perfectly crispy. Now we're going to make our sweet and sour sauce, starting off with 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of agave, 1/4 teaspoon of liquid smoke, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground rosemary. We're going to give that a good stir and simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. To thin out my sauce, I added about 2 tablespoons of water, gave it another good stir, and simmered for an additional 2 minutes. I added the Brussels sprouts back to the bowl and then topped it with our sweet and sour sauce. I stirred everything together until the sauce fully coated each Brussels sprout. And this is what it looked like when it was completed. And now it is time to serve. As an optional garnish, you can chop up some fresh herbs such as parsley. You can even sprinkle on some dried parsley if you don't have fresh available. I top my dish with some toasted herbed breadcrumbs. The pasta is delicious on its own, but the breadcrumbs add a nice texture to the dish. This tastes just as good as it looks. I'd love to know if you try out this recipe And if you have any questions for me, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more vegan content just like this, and I will see you in the next video.